Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Animal Mechanicals, we Animal Mechanical can!
Rex Mechana strong!
Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Komodo! Mechana gizmo!
Mouse! Mechana fast!
Sasquatch! Mechana stretchy!
Animal Mechanicals, Mechana can we do it? We Animal Mechanical can! We Animal Mechanical can!
Mechana Pegosaurus Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Oh, yes!
Your destination is Mechana Pegosaurus Island.
Cool! I've always wanted to see the Mechana Pegosaurus!
The Mechana Pegosaurus sheds its pegs once a year.
Impressive creature. Its pegs are very large.
Yes, and when the Pegosaurus sheds them, they fly through the air and land all over the island. The problem is, 3 little Mechana pigs also live on the island. The little pigs are in danger from the flying Mechana Pegosaurus pegs.
Oh no!
Your mission is to protect the pigs from the pegs. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Mechana Pegosaurus Island.
And there's the Mechana Pegosaurus! Look at the Pegosaurus pegs!
If you observe carefully, Mouse, they are quite hard.
Komodo!
Sasquatch, I am teaching Mouse about Pegosaurus pegs.
Would this be a good time to tell you that you're about to be knocked over by one of them?
Better late than never.
Look! The 3 little Mechana pigs! Poor pigs! They're frightened!
We need to figure out some way to keep them safe from the Pegosaurus pegs.
3 little pigs. This reminds me of a story. Jack and the Beanstalk?
Nope.
Humpty Dumpty? Rumpelstiltskin?
I believe the story you are referring to is The 3 Little Pigs.
No, that's not it. Hansel and Gretel?
Sasquatch, you're a genius.
I am? I am. Why am I a genius?
Because you helped me remember that in the story of the 3 little pigs, the pigs built a house to keep themselves safe from the big bad wolf.
Of course! We can build a house to keep the pigs safe from the big bad pegs.
Whoa! We'll have to find a way to keep these pigs calm while we're building their house.
Sasquatch, maybe you can play a game with them to keep them calm.
The mighty Sasquatch loves to play games. Come on, little pigs. Follow me.
What should we build their house out of?
This straw might make a good house.
Animal Mechanicals, making it happen.
That looks good. Or not.
We need something stronger than straw to stand up to the flying pegs.
Let's go! How about sticks? Sticks are stronger than straw.
Let's give them a try.
and sticks are not strong enough to stand up to flying Pegosaurus pegs.
Is there something even stronger we can use?
What did the three little pigs in the story use to make their house super strong?
I know. Bricks. Even the big bad wolf couldn't blow the brick house down.
But I don't see any bricks around here.
And we don't have time to look for some.
What else can we use that is very, very strong?
These pegs are very hard and strong. Right, Komodo?
Yes! I believe they just might do the trick.
A peg house for the three little pigs. Animal Mechanicals making it happen.
These pegs are too heavy for me to lift.
Me too. It's impossible.
Nothing's impossible for Animal Mechanicals. This is a job for Rex. Mechana strong!
Woohoo! Rex is super strong!
Strong like a titanium Tyrannosaurus.
Come on, team. Let's help.
Look out!
Yikes!
It's not safe to build a house with all those pegs flying around.
If only there was some way to keep the pegs away from us until we finish building the house.
Leave this to me. Unicorn! Mechana fly!
She's using her magic horn to make a super strong tornado wind to blow the pegs away from us.
Be careful not to huff and puff too hard. You might blow the house down.
I'll make sure I blow away from you, but hurry! These pegs are heavy. I can't keep them away much longer.
Quick, let's build the house.
Yippee!
There, all done. Great work, team.
I hope it's strong enough. Yup, it's strong enough, all right.
Now the three little pigs have a nice, safe house.
Where are the three little pigs?
They were with Sasquatch.
Did someone say my name?
Sasquatch, where is the third little pig?
We were playing hide and seek. I think I forgot to look for one of them. Oopsie.
It must be around here somewhere. Come out, wherever you are, little pig.
There it is!
Oh no, the Pegosaurus is heading straight towards it.
It's starting to shake!
We've got to save the pig.
We're not fast enough.
This is a job for Mouse! Mechana fast!
She's fast.
There goes a peg!
It's heading straight for the pig.
Goodness, I can't watch.
Got to go faster! Got you!
Mouse saved the little pig!
Go ahead, little pigs. This is your new house.
It's safe and strong.
And the three little pigs lived happily ever after. Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Look! The Pegosaurus found bricks!
Thanks, big fella, but we don't need them anymore.
I think he wants us to build him a house made of bricks.
Fascinating. The Pegosaurus must know the story of the three little pigs, too.
That is going to be one big house. Mechana, can we do it?
We animal mechanical can!
I just remembered the story I was thinking of. Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
Oh,